What up guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you an application that you should have on your mobile phone this 2025 if you are into crypto, especially if you are into mining and DeFi. This application is actually a wallet that is giving out their token for completely free to the early adopters. Now the interesting part is the team currently have a buyback going on right now where they are buying back from those who can't mine and hold for a long time, or those in a rush to just sell off whatever they've mined on this application for completely free. So they are buying it back from those people at the rate of 0.1195 US dollars. All right, now that's for those who can't be patient enough for this token to be listed on the market. All right, but according to the roadmap, it is said that this token is going to be in circulation fully by January 2026, so meaning we'll be able to have it on different exchanges by January 2026. So guys, in this video I'll be sharing with you how you can get started, how you can start accumulating this token for completely free, guys. So if you are interested in everything I just mentioned right here and you want to know how this application really works and how you can also get this TTT token for completely free, then you have to pay attention to this video till the very end. So to get started, you need to use the link in the description of this video. Click on it. It's going to bring you to this page where you can register an account. And to register an account is very easy. You put your email address right here, then you click on this send code. A code will be sent to this email you created right here that you inputted here. A code will be sent to it, then you copy the code from your email address, you bring it and put it back in this box, and after that you have to create your password and you re-enter the password. You are going to see my referral code right here. All right, and after doing that you have to tick this box right here. You tick it, and once you finish ticking it, you click on the register button right here. I'll do that quickly and I'll show you the next step. Now after a successful registration, you will need to download the application. All right, so I'm going to download for Android. Just click on the download for Android button right here. I'm just going to click on the download button right here. So once you're done downloading the application, you are going to come to this interface looking this way. All right, now this is where everything is going on. This is where everything is happening. So you have to click on this button that says open the box, and if you click on this button, if you are not logged in, it might require you log in first. So if you click on that button, it might bring up the page, your login page for you. Then you log in with the same details, the same credentials used in registering an account earlier. All right, and once you do that, you will be able to claim some token. And to claim, all you need to do is to click again on this open right now, and it's going to bring some coins for you. It's going to show you some coins once the box open. All right, mine is open now, and it's going to show you some coins on your screen, which you are going to tap on them. And also there are some bonuses like Bitcoin and Solana. You can see them right here. So all you have to do is to tap on these coins, each one of them, and you'll be able to get them in your wallet. All right, I'm going to tap on them, even on the Solana and the Bitcoin given to me. I'm going to tap on them so that I can get them in my wallet. There's an inbuilt wallet in this application. I told you guys earlier on, it has its own wallet. All right, so I'm going to show you where you can see all those tokens. Now you can see on my balance, I've increased my balance. I've already been mining for a while now, just like I think for the past 24 hours I've been mining. Okay, so once you click here, you claim your tokens, and mining again is going to start all over again. And you can see you can come back here in the next 12 hours. Guys, you have to take this mining very serious because we are currently mining at a very high rate. You can see we are mining about 3.20 TTT per hour. All right, I'm going to click on it so that you can see better for yourself. Okay, click on it so that you can see your current mining rate. You can see we are mining 3.2 at this rate right now. That's very high. So guys, if you're joining this platform now as early as August 2025, you are still very early, and you can accumulate this token for completely free right now, taking maximum advantage of it, of being active every 12 hours. So you have to make sure you're coming here every 12 hours to click that button in order for you to accumulate this token for completely free. If the members of the community are increasing, that's as long as people are joining and coming into this project, the mining rate is also going to be reducing. They're going to be reducing it. So you can see we have 1.6. Later on it's going to be halving to 1.6, and after that 0.8, 0.4, 0.2 and 0.1. all right, so right now we are currently at 3.2. so guys, I expect you to take maximum advantage of this and mine to the fullest. All right, so that you can actually accumulate more of this token for completely free, guys. Now, apart from that, another thing I want you to pay attention to is your KYC. So you click on profile right here. Click on profile. You can see mine is not yet verified. I also hop on it not long ago. So you have to also do your KYC. You have to verify. You can see over here. Click on KYC unverified. You can see this red button here. You click on it, and if you click on it, you can use your passport or use your ID card. I think you can probably use your driver's license also. Then you just fill in the name, put your ID, then you have to authenticate. You click on authenticate now, then you have to use your, or you have to snap your ID card and so on. Normal KYC that we do most of the time right here. All right, so make sure you do your KYC to be on the safe side. All right, now let's click on wallet so that I can show you what I'm talking about right here. Okay, now go on wallet. Now you can see this is the amount I've claimed on my balance. I have this on my balance. This is where it is. This is what I've been accumulating over here. And now if you click on, you can see digital wallet. If you click on the digital wallet, it's going to actually take you to where you can see other coins and even the coins we are mining here, where you can actually transfer it and do the normal wallet transaction. This is it. This is where it happens. All right, so you can see over here I have TTT 122 TTT right here, and of course some Bitcoin that I've been earning here, and also Ethereum that I earn. Even Solana is right here. All right, although I've not tried withdrawing them, but I'm still going to accumulate more before I even think of trying to withdraw. Okay, so I'm not in a hurry for that. So that is it about the digital wallet right here. But guys, I also want you to take your time to go through this application and read and understand, especially the white paper. Click on the white paper right here and understand what is going on. This is a very interesting project that I want you guys to take your time to read. Also, I can't tell you everything about the white paper right here. So you can see currently we are not even up to 1 million members. All right, and we are close. Anyway, we are close. So take your time to go through this section, read, and most of the time what I'm mostly concerned about when I get into projects like this is the roadmap and the tokenomics. Okay, so now let's check the tokenomics. This is the tokenomics right here, so you can take your time to check this. So about 80% of this token is going to the community. Yeah, they're giving out 80% to the community, and the total supply is about 10 billion. All right, 10 billion is the total supply. Okay, and fund 10% is going for the fund operation. Funding team, about 5% is going to the team, and DEX 5% is reserved for decentralized exchanges. All right, so that is it about tokenomics. Then you can take your time, go down, take your time and read. And also, like I said, I'm concerned about the roadmap. So I said it earlier that this token is going to be fully circulation in January 2026. So guys, that is when we should really be sure that we are going to be trading this token on different exchanges. So you can take your time to go through and every other thing on this application, guys. We all have everything here. Take your time to read it. It's right at your fingertips, guys. So guys, like I said, all you have to do is to come in here once in every 12 hours to accumulate this token for completely free. And if you are interested, guys, the link is in the description. Go down there, hop on it right now, and do not waste your time to accumulate this for free, because we are currently mining at a very high rate, like I said earlier on, guys. I'm going to be coming up with more updates later on this project, the token box. All right, I'll be coming up with more updates later on, but for now I'm going to be taking my time to accumulate this for completely free, guys. Also, do not forget to share your referral link. Share your referral link. That's where you get some more of this token. All right, try and share, invite people, bring them on board. It's going to also help you increase your earnings. All right, guys, so if you like what I showed in this video and you want to hop on it, the links in the description, guys. Go ahead, click it, and you are good to go. And you can also join my Telegram channel, where I drop more updates more frequently, more often. I even talk about more projects right there before bringing it into YouTube. So if you want to be part of it, the links in the description of this video. Go down there. You are welcome to the family. Just go in there and just wait for updates every single day. All right, so guys, if you like what I showed you in this video, give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.